my channel. I'm Jaleisha V, and if you made it here, go ahead and subscribe now before we even get started. I look crazy. I got this wig cap on, but that's okay. You clicked on this video because you need to subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and subscribe. Give you a couple seconds. Go. Okay, now that's done. Today we are going to be looking at this wig from Amazon. I always see people on here with these wigs from Amazon. They super cheap, and I'm just like, that can't be real hair. Like, how you can get a whole wig, a whole lace front wig, everything for like the prices that they are on Amazon? And I personally have never bought no hair on Amazon, so this is like a first for me, and I'm like skeptical. Okay, I'm skeptical because Amazon, you know, you go Amazon to buy like stuff that's not hair. So our first Amazon wig, the one I'm doing today, I actually plan on doing a couple of these. So if you like this Amazon cheap wig thing, give this video a thumbs up because everybody want to have something cheap, and y'all know if you have watched any of my channels, any of my videos before, y'all know I'm always here for the bargain. Okay, so the wig we have today is coming from VSHOW hair. It came in this box. It's already bent, even though I haven't taken the wig out or anything, because I just wanted to kind of wait and see. I wanted to do it on here basically. So this is the wig coming in this bag. It is a 20-inch. It don't say, but it's curly. I'll put it across the screen exactly what kind of curl it is. And y'all, they gave me a Real Techniques blending sponge. Like, that's lit. And eyelashes, which they always kind of give you eyelashes and these kind of stuff, but Real Techniques though, you get a thumbs up for that in my book. So this is the wig. Comes in a plastic bag of its own. Has a net around it, which I like. The lace is actually like dark. Like, I don't think I'm gonna have to. It smells like, I don't even know what to explain what this smells like. It smells like a vacuum cleaner. Anybody know what a vacuum cleaner smells like? It smells like a vacuum cleaner. But the curls are beautiful. Like, oh my gosh. And they feel really soft. Like, this is a thick wig. Like, I was honestly expecting it to be thin, because I don't know, whenever I look at people's wigs, I'm just like, why is your wig so damn thin, girl? You need to add a bundle or 3. But this wig actually looks thick. Like, y'all, ooh. So on the inside you have lace front across the top. You don't get a lot of parting space for like a side part, but you'll definitely get a lot of parting space for the middle. 3 combs at the top, 1 at the bottom, and some lace at the back. But y'all, look at the color of the lace. Like, I honestly don't think I'm gonna have to bleach this, just because it's already kind of like the color of me. All right, let's try it on and see. It's a little. It does have adjustable straps too, just so you know. But I got a big head, so I'll never have to use adjustable straps. Should I put some concealer on my, should I put some foundation on my cap? I don't know. I ain't gonna put no foundation on there. I'm just gonna put this on. Woo! This thing tight on my head. So the curls, let's pull them out some. Y'all, look at these curls. Y'all, look at these curls. I'm trying to pull them out to make them bigger. Y'all know I need the big hair. Girl, come through. So it is kind of tight, and the edges are not customized at all. But honestly, I'm not about to do that today. So girl, come back for another video if you're trying to see me customize some lace, because I'm not gonna do that today. But let me go get some scissors so I can cut this lace off. Okay, now I'm second guessing if I should just go ahead and pluck it, because look at the edges. It's not bad, but it's definitely not customized at all. So what y'all think? I don't know why I'm asking you right now, because you can't answer me right this second. But something is telling me I'm gonna wear it like this, so don't worry about cutting the edges off. I mean, not cutting the edges off, so don't worry about customizing lace. But then what if I want to go back and customize it later? So like I said, on the sides, like, you really can't make a side part. deep at all. Like, this is how deep the side part is. Like, this is. So on this wig, you can't really have a side part unless you're gonna have it like up here, side part, like barely even a side part. Honestly, I'm not gonna bleach these nuts. I'm just gonna put some concealer on the part, and that's gonna be it, because I'm not gonna bleach these nuts because I'm lazy, and I know that you don't want to do it either. So a way to cheat beating the knots, I'm just going to take this foundation, which is LA Girl Pro High Definition, and I'm just going to take a brush and just literally blend it into the lace, because y'all, I hate bleaching knots. Like, getting this wig to look good literally takes like 5 minutes straight out the pack. Like, this is like straight out the package, go put it on and go type of hair. It is kind of big, and I could like cut some layers right here in the front, but like sometimes I like it to look like this. When you start cutting layers, it starts just going like this, but I'm gonna think about that. When I give you an update, I'll let you know if I cut some layers in it or not. But y'all, these curls are beautiful. Like, the lace looks good. Like I said, I didn't bleach any knots. I didn't customize my lace, anything. Which, if you want to like wear it up, of course all you have to do is customize the lace and glue it down. Like, if you want to do that. But if you want, you like me, you just want like get up and go type of style, this is it. Like, girl. And this wig is from Amazon, like I said, 2-day Amazon Prime, girl. Come through. Okay, so my thoughts on this wig. I'm gonna give it a 1. I'm gonna rate the stars like 1 out of 5, or 1 through 5. So the lace, I'll give it the actual lace, I'll give it like a 4, because, well, actually, yeah, I'll give it like a 4 because it was super close to my color. I don't feel like I need to bleach the knots. Like, you can look at it from here. Like, you can, this is definitely a wig where you can just put some foundation on the lace and go. The actual size of the lace, I give it like a 2, because you can't even part a side part or anything. So it's like really no point of customizing lace and everything, because you can't really switch the parts unless you're just gonna do like kind of like close to the middle. But of course you can wear it like up and stuff, which is also good. But for me, I would just want to wear a side part, and I can't do that, so I'm gonna give the size of the lace a 2. The actual hair curls are beautiful, so I give that a 5, because y'all, look at these curls. Like, and I'm the type of girl, I like curls, but I don't like really tight wig curls. Like, my own hair is tight, and I feel like if I want to wear tight curls, it's wear my own curls. So I like a kind of a deep curl type of curl. So these are like, you know, the curls that I like. Density 5, because usually, y'all, these wigs you get from like these companies are thin, but this is actually thick. Like, if I saw somebody, I wouldn't think it was a wig that was already made. I would think that they made this wig just because it's so full and it's lit. What else? Shedding and tangling, no shedding, no. And curly hair usually sheds, like no shedding. So far, no tangling. I'll give an update after I wash it. I'll put in the description box. After I wash it, I'll write in the description box about the tangling. But for shedding, so far, no shedding. Tangling, no tangling so far. I can literally run my fingers through this curly hair. Let's see. Convenience is definitely a 5. This is a pull it out the box and go type of wig. You don't have to do a whole bunch of extra stuff. You don't gotta curl it. You don't gotta try to straighten it. I mean, I'm sure you could do those things, but if you buy curly hair, you know, you buy curly hair to wear curly hair. So definitely a 5 for convenience, because I literally put this wig on straight out the box and it looks like this. Lit, right? Lit. So I know I keep on playing with it, I'm gonna leave it alone. So yeah, those are my thoughts on this hair from not from AliExpress, from Amazon. So if you're looking to buy some hair on Amazon, I say give it a try. And if you want to get a wig, definitely get it from VSHOW Hair. Yeah, I think it's pretty lady. I definitely recommend this hair. Get it. I want to buy some more wigs from Amazon and do this again. So like I said, if you like this type of video, me rating Amazon wigs or just cheap wigs in general, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Put in the description box of other styles you want to see, and I'll see you in my next video.